Hello everyone, welcome to Rahul Interview Support. In this specific video, let's try to understand how to do the setup for interview support. Okay, so basically we use a tool called as Chrome Remote Desktop. All you have to do is go to Google, search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Okay, and in this Chrome Remote Desktop, click on Access My Computer. When you search, make sure that you search in Google. Many people will search in yahoo.com, so you might not get the right results. So it's better you search in google.com. Okay, and now you'll have to click on Access My Computer. So on left hand side you see two options. Okay, one is remote support and remote access. If you use remote support, it will get disconnected within 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, if you give remote access, then it will stay for a pretty, I mean, like, there is no time limit for this. All you have to do is just click on download, and you just have to add this extension to Chrome browser. And once you add it, you will get installation .exe file. So you'll get an exe file. You'll just have to install it. If you are a Mac user, you just have to double click and it will run automatically. Okay. And for Mac users, make sure that you give all the respective permissions, everything. Okay. And all you have to do is click on turn on, and then you'll get up. For example, in my case, I will give the laptop name as Rahul. Okay, next. And then please make sure that the pin you keep it as 123456, 123456, and click on start. Okay, so the moment you click on start, right, within few minutes your system, it will show it as online. Yeah, now do you see it shows as online? All right. So once it is online, what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to share. This is the email ID. So for example, in my case, I have added Chrome Remote Desktop under this email ID. You are supposed to share respective email ID, the password of this email ID, and the pin is 123456. All these three things to us. Okay. So we'll be able to connect to your system directly. Okay. So this is how basically we'll be able to control your laptop. Okay. And now the second step is at the time of interview, right? You will be getting one more link called as Otter. Okay. So I will show you how it exactly works. Okay. Okay, with this Otter link, you will be able to clearly see whatever I talk, and there is almost zero delay. All right, so just make sure that you will log into this Otter account with an email ID which you are not using for your interview email ID. Okay, by any chance, if you use the same email ID for Otter, okay, which you are using for your interview email accounts, right? So then Otter will log in along with you at the time of interview because this is a meeting software. That's the reason. Okay. Just make sure that you will not do that mistake. If you have old Otter accounts, please delete it. All right. So this is how you'll be able to get. And also, if you want, we can give you voice also, which means you'll be able to hear whatever we talk at the time of interview. All right. So this is a very simple and pretty straightforward setup. There are remaining other tweaks are there, which we'll be taking care at the time of interview. You don't have to worry about it. From your end, this is the basic thing that you are supposed to do. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section, or else in the description of this video I will have like multiple ways to communicate with me. Like if you want, you can communicate through WhatsApp, Instagram, everywhere. And also I will add a documentation link, a step-by-step process on how to do it on Linux and Mac and Windows. You can also read it out from document, and you can do it and keep the setup ready. So